Alright, so I got my car back. They washed it, ran it through the washer. Let's see what it looks like. Alright. Oh, all nice and clean. Right, and if you want to see the top, top is all just glass. Yeah, it's all clean. So they didn't wrap the side here, and this piece I just kind of shoved that thing up so it's a little bit less visible, a little. But yeah, they said if they wanted to remove that, they'd basically cut the stuff covering the sensor and then to take that out, but that would, then it won't match because this will be all shiny here, glossy, and then the rest won't be. So we left it, but they did wrap this again for me. I'll have to wait to see if the bubbles go away, but they wrapped the whole thing all the way around, so now it's completely coated. Before it had like a ring around it. But yeah, other than that, everything else is the same. Can't really do anything about those gaps. Alright, oh, there's a bubble there that I haven't seen before. There's some new bubbles here I haven't seen before, but I don't know. Guess we'll see. Alright, anyways, that's it. See you all later.